Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I make cabbage. So first you see me starting off with the bacon. I add a little bacon inside the cabbage. And then I'm just gonna cut up some onions. So you can cut up your onions any way you like. This is how I cut up mine. So once I was done cutting up the onions, I went ahead and flipped the bacon. Okay, so now it's time to cut up the green pepper. I'm only using a little piece of it. Now that the bacon is done, you're just gonna see I'm gonna cut up the sausage. Okay, for the sausage, you can cut it any way you like. Some people like to cut it in circles. I cut mine different. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Okay, so once that was done, I went ahead and put the onions and green peppers in a pan. As you can see, I left some of the bacon grease inside. So now I'm just adding different seasonings inside. You can add whatever you like. Now it's time to add the sausage and bacon. Okay, I'm just mixing everything up really well, and then I'm gonna start on cutting the cabbage. If you haven't hit that like button yet, make sure you hit the like button, and also make sure you subscribe so you can be notified when I post more videos. Okay, as you can see, the cabbage cooked down. So now I'm just going to be adding some more cabbage. Okay, so I'm just going to let that cook for a little bit, and then I'm going to be showing you how it looks.